How to dots back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Vault application. So first of all, you need to open your app and you have to confirm that you set up your password and confirm it. Then you can see here the interface like this. So you can hide your photos, video and audios, cloud backup, app lock, private browser and premium. So in this application I'm just going to show you manually, like photos. If you tap here photos, then you have to make permission. So file access, you have to access your files, then you have to upload your photos. Tap here on the photos icon, then you have to choose your photos here and tap import. Got it. And once it's done, okay, so this is hide. And also this way, like, you can hide videos. If you tap app lock, you will see here all the app is here. So once you select anyone, like, you can lock up to 5 app. Okay, 5 app you can add. If you deselect anything, then you can, and after that simply tap here the lock button, and this way you can use this app.